Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. In this video we'll be doing something different than Arduino. Today we are working on a wireless voltage tester with the help of a BC547 transistor. So let's jump into the video. Let's first talk about a simple voltage tester, in which we can test the system's voltage by physical means only. On the other hand, there is a wireless voltage tester which can test the voltage of a system electromagnetically. Circuit of these testers are quite complex, so today we will give you a simple DIY to make a wireless voltage tester by the help of a BC547 transistor. Before we start with the circuit building, let's take a look at the pin configuration of the BC547 transistor. Here are the components required to build the circuit. 3 BC547 transistors, some jumper wires, one 9 volts battery, one LED, one 220 ohms resistor, and a copper coil used as an antenna. Let's start with the circuit building. Place the first transistor on the breadboard. Connect the collector of the first transistor with the collector of the second transistor. After that, place the third transistor on the breadboard. Connect the base of the second transistor with the emitter of the first transistor. Furthermore, connect the base of the third transistor with the emitter of the second transistor. Now we have to place our LED on the breadboard. The longer leg of the LED is our positive and the shorter leg is the negative. Later on, place the 220 ohms resistor on the breadboard, connected to the positive leg of the LED. Moreover, connect the remaining terminal of the resistor with the collector of the first and the second transistor. Moving on, connect the emitter of the third transistor to the negative of the source point. Furthermore, connect the negative of the LED with the collector of the third transistor. Last but not the least, you need to connect the antenna or the copper coil to the base of the first transistor. Our circuit is almost completed. We just need to connect the 9 volts battery to test the circuit. For that, connect the positive of the battery to the collector of the first and the second transistor. Moreover, connect the negative of the battery with the negative of the source point. Now you are good to go. Our circuit is completed and we need to test it. For testing the circuit, we are using a soldering iron, which you can see is working properly. As the wire of the soldering iron is brought close to the circuit, the blue LED starts to light up, and as the wire is held back, the LED turns off. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video on the BC547 transistor. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Also join us on Facebook and Twitter to be aware with the upcoming projects and be a part of the technical family. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.